Hey, Erica here. Happy Monday. Oh my God, today is Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday before Black Friday. So Black Friday is next week, and I'm so excited because Flodesk released some new templates this morning. I just wanted to share them with you. So let me share my screen. So I've been using Flodesk for probably about a month or two now. Yeah, at least 2 months. So these are the brand new ones. So I'm so excited about this 30% off bold sale announcement. We've got a new influencer welcome, another sale announcement, favorite things roundup, and I think these were just released like this morning. Gratitude for subscribers, influencer sales email, and then those were the ones that were there before. But yeah, so let me click on this one since it's the biggest and most full. See what we can edit on it. So for my client, for her Black Friday, I was going to use MailChimp, not going to lie, because they have the integration with WooCommerce, and that's where her store is. But since I see these really cute layouts in here, I might persuade her to use Flodesk. So let's see what all. So this is the preview of it. Customize. Trying to see if I can edit that background to make it say something else. Oh, so cool, you can edit the text. That's dope. So if you click edit text, we can make it say, okay, oops. So I'm trying to figure out how to edit. It won't let me. I forgot. And here you can just type. My God, that's what I get for working in militant the last few days. So let's say you wanted to do 20% off. You can make it say 20, 20, 20. That's cute. Or you can make it say 50, 50. You know, whatever you want it to say. That's super cute. And yeah, it's hard to miss. No one's gonna miss that announcement with it being right there. And then here you can put a picture of your product. So for this example, I'm just gonna use my client's product. This is one of her t-shirts. That's pretty cool. So then in here you can, adjust it however you want it to be cropped. So if it's a wider picture, you can move it side to side. And if it's a really tall picture, you can move it just like I am here. And that's the really cool thing about Flodesk. It really is drag and drop. So just for this example, I would, put her logo. I would put her other products here. He's talking about Ruth this week, so I'll put Ruth there. And then her popular item is a custom gift she makes, so I'll add that too. You can actually X and replace the image, or you can just click replace image. And then, so there. And then to link it to the shop, I would have to manually add the URL from her site for it to go there. And then background color, white. And then the background color here. Or I have to change the font color. So I would want this to be black. And this all to be black. I can change the background color to white. And so layout, no, background color. Oh, block. Background color, white. Same thing here. Block. I want this to be black up here. If you want the button to be a different color, you click button, and I don't like round buttons like this, so I would make it square. I would make this pink so it stands out, and yeah, like that's a cool Black Friday one, you know, it's literally like Black Friday. You can change all the text. So for her greeting, she says something like, "Hi, darling." So make it say something cute like that, and then it's gonna be, you know, whatever the special is. And then we're taking a little off. I mean, yeah, you can change this too. So instead of saying this part here, I'm gonna take this part off. Let's shop. I wanted to say I have to take time and think about the copy for that, but I'm gonna say let's pamper, because a lot of her products, she doesn't realize it yet, but they're mostly like self-care type of like treats. So I could say, "Hey darling, let's pamper ourselves and the women in our lives." And then say something cute, like I'm just gonna say, "Don't miss out." Like you can have it as simple as that. And then we can down here say, I would actually want to just take that off. So if we already said shop the sale here, maybe I would say something like, "Oh, you might like these too." So I would definitely make it cuter. But then this is what it would look like. And then once you've got it to your liking, you can preview what it's going to look like on mobile, which is important. Cute. What it looks like on desktop. Cute. To make this logo smaller, you would just click the logo, click this box, go like that. You can also take it off if you want. If you want to add Instagram somewhere, you could add it. Click the plus sign, Instagram. So it would be there. Off. And yeah, I mean, that would be it. Then when you're ready, you click next. You'd say who it's coming from. So it would be my client's info instead of mine. Then you would say who you want to, you know, you'd do the title and the preview. And then you'd send it to whoever you want to send it to. So that's one. And that's the preview of what it looks like. Kind of cool. Now if we go back to Flodesk, you'll see that it saves it, which is pretty cool. And you can title it whatever you want. Rename. And so just for this example, we say 40% black. They had different promotions for the Black Friday week. So yeah, I showed you 2 examples today. One for my client that has a product, one for service-based business. So if you are thinking that, oh, I have to use another software for my Black Friday, then you don't. You can use Flodesk. You just have to manually add the URLs so that when they click on the picture, it goes to that listing on your online shop. So that's the only difference. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Wish you the best of luck with Black Friday. Like and subscribe. Bye.